Hi, Kathy. Banks taking centre stage here. HSBC posted better than expected earnings. Barclays shares are rising despite missing earnings estimates. To Mike Lenoff, chief strategist at Brewin Dolphin, that's telling you the market thinks the worst is over. Elsewhere, UBS shares surging. The Swiss bank nears a resolution to US tax probe that spurred defections by wealthy customers. Outside of banks, mining and oil companies are the best performing industry groups today. Nouriel Roubini's assertion that commodity prices may extend their rally in 2010 is helping matters, as is the price of copper, which is trading at a 10-month high. And if you were looking for evidence to back up former Fed Chairman Alan Greenspan's view the recession may be ending, look no further than UK manufacturing data. Manufacturing expanding for the first time in more than a year in July. Factories benefiting from the lowest interest rates on record and a weaker pound. Meanwhile, the European manufacturing industry's contraction slowed more than initially estimated in